Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful card, and you can use this card in any purpose, in the Mother's Day, or if somebody is going to graduate, and also you can use it in the Raksha Bandhan. So this is the multi-purpose card. Let's get started now. So you need at least 30 by 20, a little bit thick red paper. You can use any other color of the paper according to your choice. And another paper I am going to use here is a 29 by 19. And one smaller piece, that's a 4 cm by 4 cm. You need some cutter, measuring tape, scissors, some black and red sketch pens and also a pencil, glue gun. And I'm going to use here, that's a wedding pear ribbon, but you can use any kind of the decorative piece according to your choice. That's all what I need for that card. I'm going to make this kind of small flower, so you need at least 4 cm by 4 cm yellow piece, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So you have to just fold it, just mark this area and then fold accordingly, just like this, both sides. I'm going to cut this one. Once you open, it looks like this. So I cut it till the half and use the red sketch pen to make a small circle inside. And what you have to do, just put a little bit of the glue on the one side of the paddle, on the one paddle, and attach another paddle on the top of it. So it looks like this once you make it. So I make these kind of the more flowers, around 15 to 20. So I already make some flowers, and which one I'm going to arrange here. That way you can make this card in any occasion, and if you want to say thank you to somebody, if you want to say congratulations, and in the Raksha Bandhan you can use this one, also on the birthday celebration. So this is the multi-purpose card. Just change your content here. And So thanks for watching guys, and if you like really this video, just subscribe me for the further creative videos. Thank you.